Today's class is all about film photography. A company out there called AnalogCC.com. They sell these gorgeous disposable cameras. Now wait, we've all seen disposable cameras. Sometimes the first time we saw one was at a wedding where they were placed on each table and the bride and groom wanted you to shoot pictures and leave the camera behind so they can have a different perspective on their wedding using the photographs that you guys took at your table. All right. So this company, right, it's called Analog CC, sells these gorgeous disposable film cameras. Here's a few things.